What's up, everybody? I'm back. It's been a great spring break. I know I haven't posted any content in a little bit, but I'm back now and I'm going to be posting some more great content for you. So today's episode is going to deal with toys. I'm a big fan of toys. I like toys, but in particular, I like science toys. If you haven't yet, go ahead and join the Notification Science Squad. Also subscribe to my page if you haven't yet. So without further ado, let's get started with the science toys. So I've got two toys here. I've got a dropper popper, and I'm sure you've seen something like this before, similar maybe from a Chuck E. Cheese or some type of store. Basically, it's just if you imagine half of a tennis ball and you cut it in half, this is completely made out of rubber, and it's a very high quality rubber, and so you just in and out like that. Now, the ones that you guys probably have seen, you leave it here right on the table and then it'll just pop up. But this one in particular, let me take us back out of the camera. You hold it like this, you drop it, and it comes straight up. Wow, look at that. Let's do that again. Right, so I just flipped it, drop it, boom, and you see all that potential energy that you're storing right here. Right, that's called potential energy. You drop it, boom, goes straight up. But see, that's not the cool part. So I thought in my head, I could make this a little bit better. So what I came up with was, look, we'll flip it, but this time I'm not going to drop it this way. I'm going to drop it upside down, and I'm going to put a ping pong ball. So let me show you what it looks like right here. I'm going to put a ping pong ball right there, and instead, I'm going to drop it, and you're going to see that ping pong ball go crazy. So let's check it out. Cover your head. Whoa! Let's do it again. Let's do it again. All right, let's do it again. Let's do it again. All right, so here we go. Here it is again. This is what it looks like right here. Boom. Woo! Gotta be careful. So it's a great toy. This one cost me about $5 a piece for these because they're really high quality rubber, and I think they were made in Canada. I can't remember, but they weren't made in the U.S. Another toy that you're probably very familiar with is this spin toy right here. And I'm sure you've seen different variations of this. So you spin it, and I'm going to take the camera right now, and all you do is you spin it like so. There you go. See, oh, there it is. Then it starts dancing like that, and inverts and goes straight up for a really long time. Look at that. Again, do it again. There we go. Check that out, everybody. Wow. One more. There we go. Here it is. Nice, nice. Wonderful. That's beautiful. There we go. Look at it just dance on the table. Two great toys that you can get from anywhere pretty much. This toy you get from the swap meet or the marketplace or even Michael's or whatever. These are all over the place. So if you have a chance, go ahead, grab these, play with them. There's a lot of science behind them. There's a lot of force behind the spinning of this particular toy, and then on this one it's the potential and what's called kinetic energy. Now, there's just one more big announcement. Today, someone happened to be named Juan Carlos challenged me to a one-on-one basketball. So I wanted to formally accept the one-on-one challenge. He refers to himself as the three-point specialist, that he's going to dunk on me. And so I formally accept that challenge from Juan Carlos. You heard it here first on Gonzalez Science. Have a great day, everybody.